Let's do a quick tutorial on how to divide your hair when you're going to make this trending hairstyle. We call it the goddess mohawk braids. So her hair was short, and I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks on how to go about it when you get such kind of hair. Anyway, to start, you have to divide the hair into two, and then in the middle you do two straight lines, one on one side and the other one on the other side. And I'll tell you why. It's because the two lines at the end, you're going to do some knotless braids. And then now we start working on one side. So on one side, I divided it into three. So I was using the ear to guide me. You can see the first part, I did the cornrows like this way. You can actually decide to be creative and do something different for yourself, yes, but just learn the basics on how to divide the hair. And then after that, the second part, I decided to just do the same design. Actually, I was copying a design from one of the hairstylists who had done this. But anyway, you can go ahead and be creative, and I'll get to do another one different from this one, and I'll show you. So yeah, we're just going slowly. You can screenshot this, or you can just go step by step with me as you're doing your own client. So we've gone to the other side. So this one, I've also divided it, and just step by step, the first four lines are looking like that. And then there's another part I divided like a triangle, and it looks like that, and I made the cornrows like that. So if you want to do exactly the same as I've said before, you can just slow the video or just screenshot every step, and we just do it step by step. That will be much easier for you. We're almost done with the other side, and one thing you can notice from both sides at the front, I decided to do same design. And one thing I love about this hairstyle is that it's like a 2 or a 5-in-1. You can style it in a couple of different ways. You just be creative. You can style it on the side, one side. That is why they're both looking so different on both sides. And here right now we're finishing with the knotless braids, and do not forget to add the curly hair, okay? And that is it. So if you've not understood anything, you can just ask anything in the comments section. And here we're now moisturizing the curls, so we have to maintain them so that they do not tangle so easily. So just applying some moisturizer, and yes, we are done. That was the final look, and I'm in love with this hairstyle. So let me know in the comments section if you have any question. Give this video a like if it was helpful, and remember to subscribe to my channel.